Buongiorno, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes fashion world pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Italian premium casual wear brand that originally was a producer of alpine travel bags, but that now markets upscale apparel as well as accessories, footwear and bags. The brand is most widely associated with its Skidoo jacket. The name itself is a variation of a Finnish word which means Arctic Circle. That's what it means. So how do you go about pronouncing this mysterious name? It is kind of a strange word, isn't it? But it's fairly easy to pronounce once you know that you essentially need to ignore the J letter in the name and pronounce the I's with an E sound. So napapiiri. Napapiiri. Pretty straightforward once you know Napapiiri. Here are more videos on how to pronounce the names of fashion brands from around the world. France, Italy tend to be some of the hardest ones to pronounce, but it goes way beyond, and all of those fashion names that you may want to hear and nail the pronunciation of, they are all there for you. I will definitely see you there to learn more. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao.